to my channel. If you're new, my name is Anne. Consider subscribing, smash that subscribe box. So for this video we go try do pidgin style. My pidgin is not very good, too good, but we go manage them like that, pash like that. So Madam Lizzie Alaja bling 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 bling, she don't finally marry, she don't settle down, and she did a very private wedding. I can't think maybe she did do private wedding because of social distancing. At the end of the day, a lot of couples, they are still getting married regardless of the lockdown, and they do private ceremony. So now you have the thing. However, no be so. A lot of bloggers, they don't come out, they don't expose Madam Lizzie, say she be ogbonge husband snatcher. No be me talk, now wetin bloggers talk, now wetin sources talk. Say this man don't already get 5 wives. No be 1, no be 2, no be 3, no be 4, but now 5 wives where you don't marry for house, and you get plenty children. The children they boku full ground, and the number 5 wife said, they say na nursing mother, she gets ikoko for hand, 3-month-old baby where the man just throw away for ground. They just born her and he go marry Lizzie. So they don't expose this one. A lot of bloggers, they don't release pictures of all the 5 wives. I'm sure say all of them don't see them. So the husband go this man where they get harem of wife, where wife full ground, where they buckle plenty for ground. Name na Latif Adegboyega Lawal. Mr. Lawal is the lion himself. He is the Indaboski. So surprise, all the 5 wives they use this Mr. Lawal name, then they bear in son name, and number 1 in name na Kemi Lawal, the other one name na Jumoke Lawal, we get Kenny Lawal, that one na Kehinde Lawal, and we get Fola Lawal, and finally Kemi Lawal, where Lizzie can't join number 6, so she go be Lizzie Lawal. So all the 5 wives they bear the man name. So, and they say the man is not married to them according to Lizzie. But if you don't marry them, why they can't use in son name? Why they can't bear children for her? Not just that the children said they bear the man son name. Anyway, our Lizzie Alaja bling, she don't come and talk. Say na haters they throw away story for ground. People know what makes she they happy. They want scatter and marry. All of them they be haters, plus the wife, plus the blogger, plus everybody they be haters. And say they publish pictures, say her husband don't know any of these women. According to Lizzie, say she now the original legal wife. Now she go court, now she sign, now she get marriage certificate, and now she still get marriage picture. So because she carry go court, all the other wives they have been demoted. So therefore, Lizzie they tell us say all the other women they be fake women. May they go find their husband. So siwaju lower okoyewaju, they be fake women. Now she be the original woman for Mr. Latif wife. And she even talk and she back him up. She says she don't know this man for 14 years, and she know who the man don't. They say na dating they no do marriage according to Madam Lizzie. And then the husband said, she said the husband a very gentleman. He no get power to stay in the same house in apartment with 2 women. So how will this gentleman if he manage 6 women or 5 women? This gentleman, Mr. Lawal, he he stay with 2 women for us, but if he impregnate 5 women. So according to Lizzie, they be undocumented they be undocumented wives. Now she get documents, now she carry and go court. So she they demote, they downgrade the 5 women as baby mamas, undocumented, illegal wives. I don't know why anybody will settle for wife number 6. Polygamous house. They say Ile Oguni, Ile Olorogun, it is Ogun. They fight. Now madness, full polygamous wife. So I don't know why a celebrity like Lizzie will settle down as wife number 6, as pretty as she is, as bling bling as she is. Marriage will never reach 1 week, drama don't fly. How many days be the marriage? She don't they defend the man, they praise the man, make she ready, make she settle down, make she do honeymoon first. So the time when she's supposed to do honeymoon, they drag haters for social media because guilty conscience they inside her mind. If a person will not get guilty conscience, you just switch off your phone, continue your honeymoon. So my Madam Lizzie, she get fans, she get followers. Some of her supporters they don't come forward, they can't say they go support her. Whatever way she do, they dare her back, they did their giddy bad, they know they move. They don't talk say we hear what say Lizzy and her husband, they be Muslimi, and according to their religion, the man is actually entitled to more than one wife. We agree, we no agree. We agree, but the thing where maybe they think say a Muslim man is actually entitled to 4 wives, not 6 wives. So it be like say their religion they overlap. The man don't chop pass waiting, you know, his religion is allowed. Like I said, Mr. Lawal is in the Boski, the lion himself, where they cause confusion for 6 women. So you know, he carry pass 4, he had to join her. And the thing is say the mistake where Alaja bling Lizzy they make be say she no wan accept, say she be wife number 6. She no ready to accept that one. She dey drag her, say she be legally wedded wife. Anybody will get documents may come forward because she knows the law. And you know, how is it possible? She dey claim say her husband don't know this woman, they don't know them, they be fake women. How is it possible say they fake, but wife number 5 she get 3-month-old pikin where she dey nurse? So when una dey plan una marriage, the man dey go one side, in the carry one. Now wetin you want tell us be that? So Lizzy no wan accept say she is wife number 6, but you know the man get 3-month-old pikin for ground. Anyway, more continue with this story. Lizzy is actually consoling herself. She needs to ready for this polygamous family which she don't enter. She needs to, because she meets people for ground. Even though you don't know the man for 14 years, you meet them for ground. Those ones, if we give them mic, say, how long have you known Mr. Lateef Adegboyega? They fit tell you say they don't know her for 20 years. Who knows how long? I don't know the man for. So make she calm down, she meet them for ground. So this one, you don't pass say I be legally wife, you know be legally wife. Now me wearing, no be we wearing, you don't pass that matter. Because even if they go court, if the man carry this go court, you know carry the other woman go court, they say they do traditional marriage, and our country we recognize traditional marriage. So if this man, once you don't pay bride price, I don't know whether you don't pay or you never pay, but once you don't pay bride price for the women head, now the same category, all of una be co-wives for the house. So Lizzy na ìyàwó, because now she be junior, then the people na ìyálé, ìyálé wà tẹríba fún àwọn ìyálé tó bá ń lé. Àwọn náà dẹ̀ máa ṣe kí ni, wọ́n máa lawọ́, wọ́n máa gbà because Mr. Lateef is what in the Boski, they marry as much as if he marry. So that is the bitter truth. You know, you don't know man for 14 years, but why you no come do the right thing? At least with the encouragement, say if you don't know man 1 year, 2 years, go and do the proper thing. Man, don't waste each other's time. So why did you take him after 5 women, after 100 children, for him to come propose to Rama? But who proposed to who? I don't know. After 100 children, I can't remember say Lizzy they won't corner, he won't make a good woman out of her. Now him she they tell us so, I be no be so. So as wife number 6, because for Araye, Oju Araye, you are wife number 6. No, I know they disrespect you, Madam Bling Bling. I know they insult for as you see him. That's how we go talk him. According to Yoruba culture, you have to humble yourself for and be respectful for your iyales. And more we forget say she they tell us say, you know, Lizzy, she's educated, she knows things. They tell us that she's legally married, and anybody that comes to show that man don't marry her for cause now bigamy. So they won't use the Western culture, press Nigeria culture. Polygamy full Lagos. So no be she be number 1. Anyone will enter house where they say she meet other women for house, she must learn to share timetable. That's what they do. Una go find house, how una go take get along. Una must share the timetable. You know, even if you drag say now only you marry, the other 5 women, let's assume say according to you they be undocumented wives. The man don't know them, but they born for her. So now you be legally wife. So if they call her for midnight, say, Baba Junior is sick, emergency day, you go hold her for her, say, may no go take care of his children. I'm sure the guy has a lot of kids. You know, married or not married, he has a lot of children. So if they call her for phone for midnight, call her anytime. They feel call her because we don't born, you know, they switch off your phone. You go call her anytime, whether 3 a.m. And you know, if you dey on top, make come down, come see children, you cannot hold him and say and I may be legally wife. You know, they talk all those ones, so they feel call many time, any day. So get ready. It is very, very risky. I know they encourage and make woman go marry man we don't born, especially man we don't born for several women. It is a risky game you are playing. As you dey jealous, other women go dey jealous, and you don't know wetin the man dey tell you for house, wetin dey tell them, say kusuru lo madba. You don't know. You know, men when they do polygamy, they be sweet talker. They go tell this one, tell that one, that one. So Lizzie need to calm down. You know, Alaja bling bling, you need to calm down. Imagine asking the women, she did the one way I think say she talk pass her mouth, be say make they go do DNA to prove say na the husband get the children. Now she talk pass her mouth. That one he pass her boundary. You meet them for us now. You see the demand for proof. The man tell you saying they deny picking. He tells you they deny only of children, and make God come catch you. Say all the children resemble her. What you go do for that matter? So you need to remember, say, now you come meet them for house, not the other way round. Now so we go tell the story. Anyway, what you do, Madam Lizzie, Alaja Bling, it happen to a lot of Nigerian women. I know, like, you know, by the time say you don't clock 25 for your papa house, they don't let you rest. Now every day they remind you, say, when is your marriage, when is your marriage. These same parents will say, when you were like in your 20s, 21, 19, they don't go encourage you to get boyfriend, girlfriend, no. They go, they pursue you, say, face your book, face your book, face your book. By the time you clock 25, since a man will come has come ring bell. So now what you do, Alaja bling bling with that. And once you reach 30, you there as man know how. They think I will broke pursue like so now pressure. And they suspecting that pressure and desperation now you make her choose this path to be wife number 6. Even if you know they careful, if you sit down for your papa house, reach 35 years, onion seller down the street, go they advise to say, auntie, come for our singles meeting, come for deliver. They go just you know, they give you advice. So I don't really want to blame my cause and desperation, you know. And maybe Lizzie herself, Madam Lizzie, maybe she don't tire, she don't do date. She might just sit down for one place, see. And after all, I don't know this man for 14 years, so she just wants to sit down one berekete for ground. But the thing is, say she need to prepare. Say na polygamous house, she enter all this grass. Say na me go court. You know, go work. The man for a mind knows say you feel they drag out with the women, but the man for a mind knows say he get 6 wives. So you know get everything you feel do for the matter. You know, so now polygamous house you dey manager like that. And the thing is say, you know, they always talk say any man where we say he don't now the man like polygamy. There are some men they just like say they do timetable. You go mama for la house today, you go chop bokoto, you go down house, you go chop pepper soup. So men like they like us say na polygamous family they and when man wey say if you don't marry 6 wife, we don't pass wetin Islam give her, you don't pass her. Those kind of men they know they slow down. Yoruba they think someone say Baba no go die unless Baba. So this Baba, you know they stop. Make we expect more wives. So Lizzie needs to calm down. At least this period, make sure just go relax. According, relax. Just relax, enjoy yourself. Make sure go on honeymoons. Forget social media. Bloggers will always blog. Now we see we they do for this corner with that. We they blog. So relax, enjoy yourself. When you finish your honeymoon, the honeymoon can do proper timetable. And we'll get Monday, we'll get Tuesday. Do normal things. You be Yoruba girl, you be Yoruba woman. No come here the form bigamy, lolly. Forget that one. If that man don't pass the coro, go pay bride price, my dear. You're your own or your lower. So this video, all this Lizzie fan. Now wait, we just talk truth. So I don't come here come they blast Alaja bling bling. I don't come blast me. And after waiting sources talk. Now here the report for this corner here. Anyway, I don't want to go on too long on this video. If you enjoyed this, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, bye guys.